Assalamu alaikum and welcome you all to my channel as well as to my new video. As per usual, today as well I am going to talk on the topic and share my views about the topic, the Stone Age. You might have heard about this topic before as well, but today inshallah I am going to explain it, or I will tell something new about it. The Stone Age was really long time ago, about 3.3 million years ago. It's divided into three parts. Number one, Paleolithic, or the Old Stone Age, which is called Paleolithic, and the second one, the Middle Stone Age, which is called Mesolithic, and the third one, New Stone Age, which is called Neolithic. In the first, as Old Stone Age or Paleolithic, in which humans lived in groups, and at that time, and there was no that proper concept of houses and homes like that, and they gathered fruits and veggies, they hunted animals, and they used stone for making of the things and making of their utensils and many other things. The second Stone Age, which is called Mesolithic, in which people started trading, and they started settling down, but still they moved around. They don't used to stay on one place permanently. They just used to stay in small groups, and they used to migrate from one place to another as per their will. The third one, which is called New Stone Age or Neolithic, in which the farming started and the people started to grow their own fruits and veggies, and they started living in houses and in bigger groups. So this Neolithic, which is the New Stone Age, was developed era according to this era of Stone Age, the complete era of Stone Age. This Neolithic was developed, but they were not knowing that mankind will be developing with very high pace, and it will reach at this moment that the complete earth can be destroyed only in few seconds. And it lasted from the emergence of the first stone tool to the last ice age, about 11,700 years ago. So I hope that you have got a bit knowledge about the Stone Age. I just can explain this much of it because I used to tell you only the important things, so that you should have some idea about this topic. If somebody asks you about this topic, I hope that now you will be able to answer or give him some important points about this topic. So thank you for today. Assalamu alaikum.